Yodeck's recording tool is a new feature that allows you to interact with any web page you want to display and automatically generates the script you need. No coding is required. Instead of writing custom scripts manually, you can simply record the actions you want to perform and Yodeck will do the rest. To use the recording tool, first you must download Yodeck's web player and record Chrome extensions. You must also ensure that the extensions are enabled in incognito mode. You can manage your extensions in the Chrome settings. Now, in your Yodeck account, go to the Media tab and add a new web page. Copy and paste the URL, then go to Scripting Tools where you can start recording. You will be taken to the web page where you can use the elements to select what you want to display. With the Select element, you can remove elements such as pop-up banners. With Scroll to Element, you can scroll up to a specific element of the page. When you're done, click Stop Recording. You can now preview the web page here. You can either open the preview in your current browser or in a different profile. If you open the preview in your current browser, your cookies will be removed in order to see the preview exactly how it will look on your screens. This means you might be logged out, or you can open the preview in a different profile by copy and pasting the link generated. Check the preview shows the web page exactly how you want it to be displayed and click Save. Add the web page to your screen content and click Push to Players, and the web page will be on screen in seconds.